Welcome to IQD Dinar News, your go-to source for the latest updates on currency exchange rates, revaluation news, and insights into the Iraqi dinar. Stay informed and ahead of the curve with our timely analysis and breaking developments. The discussion surrounding the Iraqi dinar's value and the implications of its foreign exchange reserves and gold holdings is both intricate and significant for understanding the currency's future. The assertion that the central bank's foreign exchange reserves have surpassed $100 billion and that it holds over 143 tons of gold speaks volumes about the Iraqi economy's potential stability and growth. These figures not only highlight the strength of the Iraqi financial system but also provide a foundation for the argument that the dinar could recover its value in comparison to stronger currencies like the US dollar. When evaluating the strength of a currency, particularly in the case of the Iraqi dinar, it is essential to consider several factors, including foreign exchange reserves, gold reserves, and the overall economic climate. The foreign exchange reserves represent a country's ability to manage its currency's value relative to others, providing a buffer against economic shocks and instilling confidence in investors and the general populace. In Iraq's case, the report of exceeding $100 billion in foreign reserves indicates a significant ability to support its currency, especially in a global economic environment where currencies fluctuate frequently. Moreover, the substantial gold reserve of over 143 tons serves as an additional safety net for the Iraqi economy. Gold is a traditional hedge against inflation and currency devaluation. Its presence in a country's reserves can enhance the credibility of its currency. For investors, a strong gold reserve suggests that the currency has intrinsic value and that the government is committed to maintaining its worth. This dual support of foreign exchange and gold reserves could be interpreted as a signal that the Iraqi dinar is on a path towards strengthening, countering perceptions of it being undervalued or cheap. However, despite these positive indicators, the Iraqi dinar's current exchange rate of approximately 1,310 dinars to the US dollar or $0.000763 per dinar represents a contrasting narrative. This rate is relatively low, suggesting that the dinar is indeed cheap and could be considered a sub-penny currency. Such a valuation raises questions about the real purchasing power of the dinar and its effectiveness in international trade. Investors and analysts are likely to focus on this exchange rate as a critical metric for the currency's strength. The challenge lies in reconciling the optimism surrounding the dinar's potential with its present exchange rate. Proponents of the dinar's recovery often point to the government's consistent messages, including those from Prime Minister Mohammed Shia al-Sudani, asserting that the dinar will indeed become stronger than the dollar. This rhetoric, repeated multiple times, aims to instill confidence in the Iraqi population and international investors alike. However, the gap between verbal assurances and the current market reality presents a significant hurdle that must be addressed for the dinar to gain traction. One key aspect to consider in this discussion is the broader economic context of Iraq. The country has faced numerous challenges, including political instability, security concerns, and economic mismanagement. Each of these factors can undermine confidence in the currency and affect its exchange rate. For example, fluctuations in oil prices, which are central to Iraq's economy, can directly impact foreign reserves and, by extension, the value of the dinar. Additionally, regional geopolitical dynamics can introduce further volatility, which may deter investment and hamper economic recovery efforts. Despite these challenges, many believe that the current economic indicators, such as foreign exchange and gold reserves, could provide a pathway for the dinar's appreciation. If the Iraqi government can implement effective monetary policies, improve governance, and foster an environment conducive to investment, there is potential for the dinar to recover and strengthen over time. The importance of these policies cannot be overstated, as they would serve to rebuild trust in the Iraqi economy and encourage both local and foreign investments. Furthermore, it is crucial to understand the psychology of the market and how sentiment can influence currency valuation. The dinar's current exchange rate might be perceived as a reflection of the overall lack of confidence in the Iraqi economy, despite the underlying strengths. Therefore, shifting this sentiment will be essential for improving the dinar's value. The government, alongside the central bank, must actively engage in initiatives to promote stability, transparency, and economic growth. The assertion that the dinar is on a path to recovery must also be tempered with realistic expectations. Currency markets are influenced by a myriad of factors, including macroeconomic indicators, interest rates, and investor behavior. Therefore, while the foreign reserves and gold holdings present a positive picture, actual movement in the dinar's value will depend on a complex interplay of domestic and international economic conditions. Moreover, the importance of international relations cannot be understated. The Iraqi dinar's strength relative to the dollar also hinges on how Iraq is perceived globally. Building strong relationships with other nations, particularly those with significant economic influence, can bolster Iraq's position in international markets. This diplomatic effort could help enhance the dinar's credibility and potentially lead to greater acceptance and use of the currency in international transactions. In conclusion, the dialogue surrounding the Iraqi dinar is multifaceted, encompassing economic data, government assurances, market psychology, and the broader geopolitical landscape. The significant foreign exchange reserves and gold holdings provide a strong foundation for the dinar's potential recovery. However, the current exchange rate highlights the disparity between potential and reality, underscoring the challenges that lie ahead. Achieving a stronger dinar will require a concerted effort from the Iraqi government to instill confidence, improve governance, and foster economic stability. While there is hope for the dinar to rise in value, it is essential to approach this outlook with a balanced understanding of the various factors at play, recognizing that recovery will be a gradual process influenced by both domestic policies and international conditions. Thanks for tuning in to IQD Dinar News. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. For more updates on the Iraqi dinar and global currency trends, hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.